Hello crypto enthusiasts, and welcome to another Paws Airdrop video. Now this video is more like an update, okay? I would advise you to pay attention to what I'm about to say or do right now, because if you don't pay attention and you miss a step, this would determine whether you get something or lose out completely from this airdrop. Okay, so pay attention to what I'm about to say right now and follow me to the end. Do not skip any part of this video so you don't miss out on important information. Now if I click on the end section right now, you will see this very tags right here that says verify via Paws web. Okay, and you can see that this very tax is mandatory. Okay, so it is mandatory, meaning that you have to do it. This is what will guarantee whether you receive this airdrop or not. Now let's head over to the official Telegram handle so that you see an important message they dropped and why you need to do this very tax right away. Now if I click on this drop down arrow right now, you're going to see their latest update, which is on December 31st at the time of creating this very video. Now this very update says Paws snapshot secured. Hope you all got your Paws back, because now they are gone forever for those who didn't. I created a video on how to get your Paws back, but as at this moment it is already too late. I created two videos on how to solve the Paws mass mystery tax and get your Paws back. For those who watched that video, I'm sure they got their Paws back, but for those who didn't and just skip the video, then just know that you have lost your Paws, okay? Because every Paws was taken from each user account and it is your duty to recover your Paws. These guys want us to be active in the Paws app, and that is what a lot of people fail to achieve. Okay, so for those who did, congratulations, you are one step ahead and close to the goal. Okay, so you can see right here this says out of 72 million users, 20 million stepped up and claimed the points, proving their active participation. So out of 72 million users farming this very Paws token, only 20 million stepped up to claim this token. So that means the supply is going to reduce, because they said they are going to burn them. That is why you see this very picture right here where this man is throwing Paws into the fire. So they are going to burn the account of those users that weren't able to claim their Paws back. So you can see right here, this very one right here says we have closely monitored tax progress in the Paws app. I want to assure you that users involved in dishonest farming or boot farming will not be eligible for the airdrop. Okay, for those who farm this in a dishonest way using arc boats to inflate their points, they are going to be disqualified. So if you did any of those, just know that you're going to be disqualified. You're going to be discovered and get disqualified. So the last one right here says hit our website to peep what's coming. Visit Paws website. Now it's time to gear up. The next step is on the way. Now this is the most important part of this very update, and that is what I showed you in the beginning, which is to verify your Paws account. Okay, so you can see we have to visit their website with this very link and check what is on the way. Okay, what's coming next, but this is not where we're going to be visiting this. We're going to head back to the Paws app and do the verification right there. So let's do that right away. Now once you're in the home section of your Paws app, you can go ahead and click on visit our website to still arrive at that very site where you need to check what's coming next. But I'll suggest you go to the end section so that you'll be able to understand and flow with this properly. So we're going to click on end right now. So the moment you click on end, you're going to see this very update in the in-game section, which says verify via Paws web, which is a mandatory tax. So we're going to go ahead and click on start to start the verification process. Now the moment you click on start, it's going to ask you to select a browser of your choice. I'm going to use Chrome, and the moment I use Chrome, it's going to lead me to my Chrome browser. You're going to see this very animation load up, and you can see that this is now displaying my Paws balance and my WPaws balance. Okay, and you can see my username right here, and the main thing you're meant to click on right now is this drop down arrow. Now once you click on it, you're going to see two blue buttons. The first one is connect Ton wallet, the second is connect Soul wallet. If I click on connect Ton wallet right now, it's going to display the window to connect your Ton wallet. Okay, and for the Soul, the wallet you're going to collect is your Phantom wallet. Okay, so how do we really connect our wallet? I've created a video for this before, but I'm going to show you this right now so you'll be able to connect your Ton wallet. Okay, it is really simple. So first thing you need to do is to download Tonkeeper wallet from Play Store, and also download the Phantom wallet app from Google Play Store. Okay, so once you are done downloading them, open them up like this. Okay, you can see tonkeeper is open and phantom wallet is open, so make sure you create your accounts and open them up like this. Okay, this is tonkeeper and the other is phantom wallet, okay, which is a Solana based wallet. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is click on connect Tom wallet, and once you do, this is going to ask you to select a wallet of your choice. We're going to select tonkeeper. Make sure you've created your tonkeeper wallet and have saved your seed phrase. Then you go ahead and click on connect wallet. Next, you enter your passcode, and as you can see, it says done. Now we are going to be asked to open up a link in our browser, and the browser we are going to select right now is Chrome. You can select any browser of your choice, and you can see right here, guys, that the tonkeeper wallet is now connected. Okay, this is my address right there, indicating that I have now successfully connected this very wallet. So the next we're going to go for is the Soul wallet. So we're going to click on connect Soul wallet right now. Next, you click on the purple phantom button. If you haven't installed phantom wallet, you can go ahead and click on install phantom wallets at the bottom below. But if you have, just go ahead and click on connect phantom wallet, and I'm just going to unlock my phantom wallet right now. I've been away from the app for a while, so I'm going to unlock it right now. And then you go ahead and click on connect button, this purple connect button right here. Once you click on the purple connect button, this is going to load up and lead you to the Paws site. Okay, back to the Paws site, and you see this animation and all that. So it says last step to connect, sign the message. So we're going to click on this button that says sign message. Okay, so this is kind of an authorization, right, to give the Paws app access to your wallet, okay, so that you'll be able to transfer this token if they should transfer it. So we're going to click on confirm right now, and once you click on confirm, this is going to load up again and lead you back to the Paws site. And if you click on that drop down arrow right now, you would see that these two wallets are now connected. So once you see your wallet address right here, then you will know that you have successfully connected your wallet. Okay, but if you don't see these two wallet address connected right here, then of course you have to connect your wallet. Now if you have connected your wallet before, you still have to do this process again. If you have connected your tonkeeper wallet and Solana wallet before on your Paws app, you still have to do this again, okay, just to be sure. And make sure you're connecting the same wallet you connected to your Paws app to avoid mistake or confusion. Okay, so this is basically what you need to do to connect your wallet. Now if I click on the three horizontal line at the top left hand corner of my screen right there, you're going to see two buttons. Okay, and the first is dashboard and the second is claim. If I click on claim right now, you see this very message that says claim is coming soon. Make sure to connect the wallets and follow our socials. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on got it. Okay, so you can't claim now. Claiming is not available now. You just have to connect your wallet in preparation for the airdrop. Okay, if we head back to the Paws app right now, you can see that this tax is now checked, meaning we have successfully connected our wallet. Okay, so this is basically it, guys. Again, do not forget that this very tax is mandatory. You have to do it whether you like it or not. Okay, you just have to do it. As long as you collected your tokens back from Grinch, you have your tokens back, you can see your tokens and your W Paws, then of course you have to do this. Okay, now one thing I need to let you know is that whenever you want to check or view this very site, you can now go ahead and click on view our site. Okay, this is when you can now go ahead and click on view our site, and of course you select a browser of your choice and wait for the animation to load up. And once it loads up, you click on the drop down arrow and you see your wallet connected. This is the surest way to know that you have now successfully connected your wallets to the Paws site. Very important. Now here's an important update you need to know, a little bit away from the topic. Monad airdrop is going to be launching on Phantom wallet. Okay, and the requirements is you update your Phantom wallet if you have one already, or you download the Phantom wallet. If you don't, you create your username and gain followers. Okay, I've created a video for this which you can see up on the screen right now. Go watch that video to understand how this works. Okay, so all you have to do after creating your username is to follow me. Okay, and to follow me, you just have to click on that search bar and search for danpat01, and you see my username right there. So once you see my username, just go ahead and click on it and follow me, I follow back immediately. Okay, to better understand this, watch the video that is showing up your screen right now. Okay, because this airdrop is said to be something that is going to be huge, so do not fade this for anything. So this is the video I have for you today. This is the updates I want to bring to your notice today. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. If this is your first time stopping by, then do well to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future updates. Also follow our social media handle to stay more updated. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.